recording this, guys. I hope you know. Fucking Scooby-Doo's the fuck.
Every morning I wake up and fucking my TV is in Spanish.
Can't really see the TV, but you can hear it.
Scooby in Spanish. I know.
Oh, hey, it's Kelsey. I want to hear Scooby.
¿Por qué?
Pasaría en cada inning para ver cómo estoy. Es una chica de cacahuates.
I don't even know what the fuck they're saying.
She asked why, and then he...
What are your thoughts on this?
It pisses me off. It's always right when I wake up.
Right when you wake up?
I'll wake up.
What are your thoughts?
Yesterday was Phineas and Ferb. In Spanish? At least it'll teach you another language.
Hey. What's up?
Picking at my ear.
Ew. I can see Kelsey in the mirror. Mirror. Oh, and there's Kansas in the mirror. Oh yeah.
In my room. Oh, let me turn on my light so everything can get a perfect view of my room.
Okay, so this is the TV. Yes, that's in Spanish. That's the Pikachu. Yeah. And there's cups and stuff, and then there's Toad, and then there's Soap, and then Sunny D, and then there's Kelsey, and then there's the bed. Dun dun dun. And then
With a Pokemon pillow.
then we look on her ceiling. Ceiling. That's mine. There's that. And that.
Don't show that. That's my favorite.
I kind of. You're cool, buddy. Everyone say goodbye to the camera. Amber, say bye. Bye. Kelsey.
What?
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
I know. I must do this. Prove how fucking messy my room is. Okay, so there's stuff. Some more stuff. Look at this. It is a fucking mess. Look. That's my bed. My stuff's on my ceiling, see? Yeah. Ow! Bye.